Hello everyone, welcome to part 114 of Laravel 11 series, in which we are getting the e-commerce website with Laravel and MongoDB. So in this part we are going to display orders in the admin panel. So we are going to show all the user orders, the user who have placed the order. Okay, so the complete list we are going to show in the admin panel. And in the last part we have shown the orders in the front. Okay, the user who have placed the order, user can able to see his orders and able to see the order details, complete order details. Okay, so now we are going to show these orders in the admin panel so that the admin can able to process every order, okay, for the shipment. So we are going to show them in the admin panel. So I'm going to open the admin panel here. Okay, so here we are going to open the admin panel with the username admin@admin.com and password is 123456. So we are going to follow the instructions that you can find under video. And first thing is that we are going to update the sidebar and we'll show the orders module at the sidebar, okay, so that the admin can able to click on the sidebar module and can able to see the orders. Okay, so here I'm going to open the sidebar and its file is under admin layout and sidebar.blade.php file. And straight away after catalog we are going to display these orders. Okay, so here I'm going to add this one, in which we are simply showing the orders and with the order management as the heading. So I'm going to check here, I'm going to refresh here, and here you can see the order management, and under order management it's the orders. Okay, so now in the next step we are going to create its controller. Okay, order controller we are going to create in under admin. In last time we have created under front, and now we are working with the admin, so we are going to create under admin this time. Okay, so here I'm going to open my folder here, personal. This is the project 11, this is my folder, and in Mac we are going to click on services, new terminal folder, and going to run the artisan command for the project. But you know how to do it in Windows. In Windows you are required to go inside the folder, and if you have the git bash installed, you can simply right click and git bash here, or you can use the command prompt to run your artisan command for the project. Okay, so here I'm going to create this controller, order controller under admin. So after creating the order controller, then let's see, we are going to create the route. Okay, for here for the admin we are going to create this route to show the orders in the admin. Okay, so here we are going to create this route under admin group. Okay, as we are working in the admin, so we are going to create this route under admin group. Here we are going to create this route, and we are going to include this order controller at the top as well. See, last time we have created the alias for the front order controller. As for all the front controllers, we are creating the alias because it will not pick the same same name for the controller. So that's why we have created the alias for order front controller. But now it is not required because order controller does not exist, its name does not exist. Okay, so we will keep it same for the admin. So this one we are using here in the admin. You can see we are using the order controller, and we are now required to create this orders function inside the order controller. So I'm going to open the order controller now under admin. Okay, so here we are going to fetch all the orders in this function. So we are just required to create this function now, and inside this function you can able to see that first is we are going to make this session variable for page as order, so that we can able to highlight it. Here you can see that we are matching with this session here. Okay, so we are matching with session, and so that's why we are going to highlight it with this one, and we are fetching the order. And here do and die, and here we are just debugging the orders, that so that we can come to know that all the orders we are able to fetch or not. I'm going to click on orders, and here I'm going to see. Okay, so we are required to add the session here, use session, and also we are required to add the model. Okay, we are required to add the order model here. So I'm going to add it, otherwise it will show error. Here you can see the next error must be the order model. Yes, order model error. So we are going to add the order model as well. Okay, so now you can see that we able to get all the orders that have been placed so far. Okay, so you can see these are the orders that have been placed so far. So all these orders we are going to display. along with the we are using the relation here order underscore products and user relation. Order underscore products is having the has been relation, so that we can able to display all the products that have been placed with the order, and user, that which order belongs to which user. So that's why we have used the belongs to relation. So this relation we have used with the front as well, so it's not required any explanation. I don't think that I need to explain once again. You can check the previous videos for getting clarity. Okay, so let's move on and let's move to the next step. And in the next step, we have already included these classes. Okay, and now we are going to add the folder. First of all, I'm going to add the orders folder under resources views admin. Okay, so I'm going to create the orders folder, resources views under admin. I'm going to create the new folder, and the folder name is the orders. And under orders folder, I'm going to create the new file, and that file name will be orders.blade.php file. Okay, orders.blade.php. Okay, so this is the code to display all the orders. It's just like we are displaying the products, we are displaying the categories. Okay, so now we are displaying the orders with the same design. Okay, so here you can see the we will show here the orders management, after that orders, and here we will add the for each loop to display all the orders. Okay, so I'm going to check that whether the orders are coming here. So I'm going to refresh here and we'll see, yes, the orders are coming here. You can see the order id, order date, customer name. Okay, so here also we can do one thing, we can show the latest orders at the top, and for that we are just required to order by you. We can use the order by here as well, order by id, sorry, not id, we are going to use the character at and in descending. Okay, and that is the thing that we are required to do. And just we are required to refresh here, and you can see the latest orders are coming at the top. And also we are going to use the data table, and here id is orders. So we will open the layout.blade.php file, and here we will add the data table for this, and here I'm going to add the data table for orders as well. And that will finish our job. And we can see, yes, data table is added. Here you can see the pagination, search, all the options are coming. Okay, so here the latest orders are coming at the top, you can see. Okay, so in the next part, see, we are finished with our steps, and in the next part we are going to display the order details. Okay, we are going to display the order details, so please stay tuned for the next part. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.